Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Limi. Have you ever watched Doraemon's cartoons? I used to fancy Doraemon's magic gadgets, and eating lots of the dorayakis is my childhood dream. The dorayaki is surprisingly easy to make at home and it tastes so good. We only need 7 ingredients: the all-purpose flour, honey, sugar, milk, egg, baking powder, and of course the red bean paste. As usual, I will put all of their ingredients and their measurements down below in the descriptions for you to follow along at home. And let's get started. Now first, we're gonna add a half teaspoon baking powder into the half cup all-purpose flour and just mix them a bit. That's it. In another bowl, put the 2.5 tablespoons of sugar and the 1 egg. Also the half tablespoon of honey. I'm using my hand whisk. You can also use electric whisk if you like, and mix them together. Beat the egg. Until they are well combined. And add 3 tablespoons of milk. Just mix them together until the liquid is kind of like smooth. Now we're gonna add the all-purpose flour and the baking powder mix. Add it slowly and steady. Don't add them all in once. We just stir them together until you don't see any of the flour. And then add the rest of the flour. Mix the batter until it's getting smooth, like this. Now it's ready to go to the frying pan. Turn on the heat to medium-low. Now we drop 1/8 batter into the frying pan. The higher we drop, the rounder our pancake will be. Cook about 1.5 minutes, and you can see there are a lot of bubbles on the surface of the batter and they're cracking. So now it's time to flip it over, and we flip from the edge. And wait for about 20 to 30 seconds, and it's ready to serve. Here is the tip. Between each batch, use the cold water soaked paper towel to cool down our frying pan so that our pancake will be in good color and it will not be overcooked. Wow, they smell so good. Now our pancakes are ready. The final step is to sandwich those pancakes with the red bean paste. So first, we're gonna take one of the pancakes and using this side and use the spatula to apply a good amount of the red bean paste. And then use another pancake to cover it and press the edges so that they can stick together. Okay, this one is done. Okay, our dorayakis are done. Let's have it. Ooh. It's the taste of my childhood. Time to go. Time to watch the Doraemon cartoon. I feel like I'm back to like 4 years old. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and also comment down below. And please subscribe me for more. Happy holidays and see you real soon. Bye.